Hello drivers and gear lovers, you're watching Gear Hub, the place to find smart car gadgets and clever accessories. Let's take your car setup to the next level. This 4-piece detailing brush set is ideal for cleaning cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. Each brush has soft bristles that remove dirt without scratching delicate surfaces. Different sizes and shapes help reach into tight, tricky spots like around wheel nuts, between spokes, or behind trim. The set includes a 5-inch round brush for carpets and seats, a 4-inch brush, and a compact 2-inch brush for precision work. All brushes come with a 1/4-inch quick change shaft for fast attachment to a drill, perfect for aluminum, chrome, painted, or lacquered rims on cars, trucks, and motorcycles. This universal car detergent is designed to clean virtually all surfaces inside and outside your vehicle. Thanks to the latest molecular level cleaning technology, it effectively breaks down dirt, grease, and other contaminants. You no longer need a shelf full of specialized products. This one bottle handles it all: interior cleaner, stain remover, insect and tar remover. It's safe for use on fabric, mats, plastic, rubber, leather, vinyl, metal, and wood trim. Just avoid suede, nubuck, and glass. One powerful all-in-one solution to keep your vehicle looking pristine. Introducing a powerful multifunction jump starter that does more than just start your engine. It features a built-in smart compressor, bright LED flashlight, SOS signal, and portable battery bank that can charge 2 devices simultaneously. With surge current technology, it delivers 3 to 5 times more power than older models with the same capacity. Boasting 2,500 amps of peak current, it easily starts gasoline and diesel engines up to 8.5 liters, even in harsh cold conditions down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit. The integrated compressor, equipped with an LCD screen, pushes 35 liters of air per minute at 150 psi, enough to inflate tires, boats, balls, and mattresses for 25 continuous minutes. A rugged, heat-resistant case, extended battery cables, and 10 layers of protection make it a dependable companion in any emergency. This car pump is equipped with a digital display and LED backlight, clearly showing both the set and actual tire pressure. It's a useful tool at home and an excellent travel companion. Suitable for all types of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, and bicycles, the compressor inflates tires quickly and shuts off automatically once the target pressure is reached. Its uniquely designed universal valve minimizes air leakage for maximum efficiency. Included accessories allow you to inflate sports balls, inflatable boats, mattresses, children's toys, and more. This intelligent device is a smart investment. To extend its lifespan, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes after every 8 minutes of use. This sparkling decorative license plate frame is designed to fit all standard license plates in the US and Canada. Its bright, crystal-studded design doesn't distract drivers but catches the light beautifully, especially at night, thanks to imitation Swarovski stones. That added shimmer makes your car more noticeable in low-light conditions. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the frame resists corrosion, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. A durable, water-resistant adhesive keeps every crystal firmly in place. The chrome finish adds a sleek, glossy touch that suits any car color. Installation is simple and tool-free. Just screw the frame in. A great gift idea for car, truck, or trailer owners. Especially perfect for women, it makes a lovely surprise for a birthday or Christmas. The Lusso Gear seat cover protects your car's upholstery from scuffs and scratches. It's ideal for child seats and crafted from durable, waterproof materials, including eco leather and thick Oxford fabric. Featuring 8 protective elements, this cover helps maintain your seat in great condition over time. It fits beneath both infant and child car seats with the help of adjustable, comfortable straps. 2 pockets at the bottom are perfect for storing baby supplies, pet items, or other useful travel accessories. This is a convenient tool for washing your car at home. The nozzle attaches to any standard garden hose, making the entire process simple and accessible. Its key feature is the thick foam it produces, which efficiently removes dust, dirt, and other debris from your vehicle's surface. With the adjustable spray, you control the strength and direction of the water stream, allowing precise application of detergent where it's needed most. The rich foam makes cleaning feel satisfying, and the results impress with shine and cleanliness. No special skills or extra devices are required. This tool becomes your reliable partner in keeping your car spotless and maintaining its appearance with ease. The Klein Tools ratchet set is expertly engineered for professionals who regularly work in confined or limited spaces. Equipped with both 1/4 inch and 5/16 inch ratchet heads, it allows for easy access to nuts and bolts in tight areas. The included 1/4 inch adapter enhances its versatility by accommodating a wide range of attachments. 4 Phillips bits further expand its functionality, preparing you for a variety of tasks. Its dual-sided ratchet head and bit adapter enable quick switching between components based on your needs. The 72-tooth mechanism ensures smooth, efficient rotation even with minimal movement. Trusted by electricians, mechanics, and construction professionals, this set is built for durability, reliability, and efficiency. It's an essential tool when working in environments where every inch of space matters. Sick of paying for speeding violations? The Uniden R3 laser radar detector features voice alerts for upcoming speed cameras, helping you stay within limits. Its built-in GPS with mute memory allows it to remember frequent radar locations and automatically mute repeat signals, reducing annoying false alerts. A bright OLED display presents clear information, while customizable settings let you fine-tune the experience to match your driving style. This reliable device improves safety, comfort, and awareness on every trip. This portable 9-inch touchscreen device offers full wireless integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, granting fast and easy access to maps, music, calls, and messages directly from your smartphone. Its core feature is a built-in 2K front camera that records high-quality video as you drive, while the 1080p rear camera assists with safe and confident parking. The DriveMate system also includes mirror-link support for syncing notifications and screen content, plus built-in Siri functionality for hands-free voice control. With this car stereo system, you enhance both convenience and driving safety every time you hit the road. This heavy-duty vehicle ramp is designed for garage use and ideal even for cars with low ground clearance, thanks to its 17-degree incline. Although compact, each ramp can support up to 12,000 pounds, comparable to the weight of 3 regular passenger vehicles. Its wide base adds exceptional stability, keeping your car securely positioned during maintenance or repairs. This kit ensures reliable, safe, and convenient servicing at home. The 32-inch Dash Traffic Advisor Light Bar is a professional-grade safety device designed to improve visibility and reduce risk on the road. It features 80 ultra-bright LEDs with TIR lenses that produce a luminous flux twice as powerful as standard LED bars, ensuring visibility from over 2,000 feet, even in broad daylight. Mounted securely inside the windshield of cars or emergency vehicles, its multi-directional lights and directional arrows help alert nearby drivers. The included LCD controller offers instant access to flashing modes, on-off controls, memory presets, and more than 20 advanced functions. It's a reliable solution for anyone seeking better safety and control in traffic situations. Govee has introduced a line of car lights LED strips featuring 16 million vivid colors. These high-quality waterproof LEDs offer remote control, low power usage, and resist extreme temperatures. With a vast color range and multiple lighting modes, every drive becomes more exciting and visually stunning. The LEDs react to your music, generating immersive effects that sync with the rhythm. Through the mobile app, you can easily adjust brightness, choose colors, and switch between modes in seconds. This polarized car visor provides protection from bright sunlight and enhances visibility when driving during the day. It effectively blocks glare and harmful UV rays, helping to reduce eye strain on longer journeys. Designed to clip onto your standard sun visor, it fits virtually all cars and trucks with ease. Made of sturdy, high-quality materials and coated with a polarizing layer, it boosts driving comfort and reduces fatigue. The visor also includes a built-in zipper for quick installation and optional side shades for extended sun coverage. Basnor's premium mudguards for the Tesla Model Y provide dependable protection from mud, snow, and debris thrown up by the tires. They install effortlessly with no drilling required and are designed to fully shield the vehicle's body, doors, and undercarriage from chips and damage. Constructed from durable black ABS plastic, these aerodynamic flaps help reduce air resistance and preserve your car's sleek appearance. Perfect for all seasons, they keep your Tesla looking clean and well-maintained year-round. Invisible Glass Stripper, 3.38 ounces, is a professional-grade cleaner designed to remove even the most stubborn contaminants from car windows and mirrors. It effectively cleans windshields and side glass of wax residue, oils, road grime, and tree sap using organic solvents that dissolve and lift particles from the surface. The formula is safe for glass and paint, leaves no streaks, and restores full transparency and a factory-like shine. To use, apply to a dry cloth and thoroughly wipe contaminated area. Then use the included second dry cloth to buff the surface until crystal clear. After use, windows and mirrors appear like new, perfectly clean, bright, and reflective. DEWALT, a recognized leader in professional tools and equipment, presents a high-performance jump starter featuring an extra-large bright display. This versatile 3-in-1 roadside unit combines a jump starter, a portable power station, and a 120 PSI compressor, making it indispensable for drivers. With 1,400 peak amps, it can easily start a car, truck, or even a boat with engines up to 8 liters. The compressor quickly inflates tires right on the road, saving time and effort. Also included are a powerful LED flashlight and 2 USB ports for fast charging of phones, laptops, and other electronics. Compact and efficient, this tool ensures you're ready for emergencies, breakdowns, or unexpected detours anytime, anywhere. Rust-Oleum Chrome Finish Automotive Spray Paint comes in a 10-ounce can and provides a bright, reflective metallic layer that mimics polished chrome. Suitable for both exterior and interior vehicle parts, the paint resists high heat and maintains its color over time. A single can is sufficient to cover up to 1 square meter in one coat. It adheres to metal, plastic, glass, ceramic, aluminum, and wood. Before applying, thoroughly clean the surface from rust, dust, and dirt to ensure strong adhesion and durable coverage. This 160-watt active subwoofer is specifically engineered to fit under your car seat, providing deep, clean, and powerful bass for true audiophiles who value sound quality but don't want to sacrifice interior space. It comes equipped with a built-in 100-watt amplifier, adjustable low-pass filter, wireless remote control, and overload protection system. Despite its compact footprint, Alpine's advanced acoustic technology ensures impressive low-frequency output that enhances every genre of music. The Cerakote kit provides a professional-grade ceramic coating for plastic elements found on both the interior and exterior of vehicles. Unlike typical products that simply add gloss, it actively restores color, protects against wear, and delivers a deeper, richer black finish. Application is clean and easy, no pouring or rubbing creams, just use the pre-soaked wipes included in the package. Its advanced formula bonds to the surface and holds up for over 200 washes without degrading. The result is a long-lasting, non-greasy, and non-sticky protective layer that outperforms ordinary silicone-based products. Perfect for treating trim, door handles, moldings, or plastic panels, it revitalizes old plastic and offers permanent protection with minimal effort. That's it for today's Gear Hub video. Subscribe for more car gadgets, accessories, and clever products that take your driving to the next level.